Hi, this is the Cuisinart ice cream maker. We wanted to spare you the unboxing video, so we sped up the video just so you see what comes in it. The construction of this unit is amazing. Everything stainless steel, everything is made to perfection. You're gonna love this product. And now for the sweet making recipe.
Go right into the freezer where our pot has been freezing for over 24 hours now. Now you take this, drop it right inside. See that? Our machine is officially on. Now all we have to do is put in our concoction of heavy cream and egg yolks into the machine, just like so. And now we wait for a few minutes. Look at all that beautiful ice cream made in just under 14 minutes. Under 14 minutes.